Good evening. See, today very less participants. Only one, two, three, four, five, six. Huh? Just 6 members. It's okay. I think maybe the remaining students they know very well that LPP. Okay. 1 minute. I'll come. So before that, just once open your textbooks now. I think last class we done that just normally then how to draw the graph and for finding the minimum value and maximum value we done that. Is correct? Now in this LPP, but compared to that kind of questions, they'll ask the applications. The applications also we have few methods are there. Okay, one is based on the manufacturing and food, based on the food. Okay, so like that, we have then a few concepts are there now. So once we'll discuss about that. Already corner points method we done. On the transportation, these are the methods actually. Right now, all of you.
So,
Ah, tell me, Likita.
in this unbounded region, how do you find maximum and minimum points, sir?
Unbounded, then unbounded means then how it will be?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if you take an x and y axis here now, x and y axis. Maybe sometimes in rare case you will get like this. Maybe this is the one of the line and second line maybe you'll get like this. Suppose clearly it is will be greater than means the solutions will get now clearly here. Then unbounded is the bounded will be the finite. It is okay, infinite. That means suppose if taken this line, we'll get like this. Then what is the bounded region? Means this is the bounded region. So on infinite points, infinite. I mean the corner points you can take here. No, this point, this point, this point. These 3 points are corner points. Okay. The 3 points you can substituting in the total. That means objective function. Then you can find it on maximum minimum. Either you get now inside that bounded region, or else you'll take here now. Then outside it is based on the constraints. Okay.
So, in
Hmm.
textbook example 4, can you one solve, sir?
But textbook, right now textbook I don't have. Once I read now, the problem it is
Determine graphically the minimum value of objective function z is equal to minus
1 minute,
50x plus 20y.
1 minute. What is the objective function? Tell me now. Z equal to
Minus 50x plus 20y.
20y. Okay. Next
Then
constraints.
equal to minus 5.
What is that? X plus
2x minus y
okay 2x minus y
greater than equal to minus 5.
minus 5. Okay.
3x plus y greater than equal to 3.
Equal to 3.
2x minus 3y less than equal to 12.
3y less than equal to 12.
That's it, sir.
And
X
x
and
comma
y
y
greater than equal to 0.
will be common. It is the compulsory to see. Subject to this one. Here we need to find the minimizer. Minimize.
Yes, sir.
Z equal to that, it's subject to and this one. Here now, once you can see this one, the minus 5 is there. But generally, this minus 5 we have to remove means then when you multiply with the minus, then what happened that? The same thing only contain, not an issue. So first you can find the points here now. If taken the first line 2x minus y equal to minus y, you can take x and y. 3 points you can find itself. Not more than that is not required. 3 points you can find. Find 3 points. X and y here now. So if you take n 0, the value of y equal to 5, correct? Correct or right? X equal to 0 means 2 into 0 is 0. So minus 5 y equal to minus 5. And minus minus also cancel, y equal to 5. Good. The same is suppose you can take here now 5 we can take 5. I mean the value of y equal to what I get 2 5 are 10, right side no minus 15. So y equal to 15. Y equal to 15. 2 points enough. Or else suppose if you want you can take here now minus 5 also you can take minus 5 minus 10. It's become that right side now plus 10. So plus 5. So y equal to here also minus 5. 3 points. Is the based on the first constraint. The first constraint here now. Similarly, you can take second line now. What is that? 3x plus y is equal to 3. 3x plus y equal to 3 now. Take it. X, y. If we take it x equal to 0, clearly y equal to 3. And x equal to minus 1. Then y equal to, I think this is the minus 3 means become that plus 6. And if you take in 1 means y equal to 0. 3 points enough. Okay. 1 with 3 into 1 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So y equal to 1 here. No, you can in the same, you can take third one now. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. 2x minus 3y equal to 12 here now. So again x and y here. If you take in 0, x equal to 0 means become that 0 minus 3y equal to 12. So y equal to minus 4. Y equal to minus 4. Next, if you take in 6, y equal to 0. Correct or no? 2 6 are 12. Right side no 0. So y equal to 0 clearly. Similarly, it's okay. It's enough with the 2 points only. More also not required. Now these points you can draw the graph here. No? You can draw the graph. X and y axis. So origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 6. 6 here now. So here also you can take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This is the y dash. 0, 5. So x equal to 0, y equal to 5. Clearly you will get this point. This is the point here now. Next, 5, 15. So x equal to 5, y equal to 15. So this is, you will get somewhere, leave that. So minus 5, minus 5. Minus 5 and minus 5. I think we'll get this point here now. This is the minus 5, minus 5. This is 0, 5 it is. You can draw a line. The line now. Next, second one, 0, 3. 0, 3. Minus 1, minus 1. Sorry, minus 1, 6. Minus 1, 6 will get top on this. Next, 1, 0. This is the 1, 0 here now. So through these 3 points, you can draw a line here. The second one. Next, third one, 0, minus 4. 0, minus 4 here. 6, 0. This is the point here now. This is the line. Now, so what is required now? What is the first condition? Tell me. It is greater than or equal to minus 5. That means the greater than will get this side or this side will get now. Likita, you only respond. This is the line actually. That means suppose you're rotating means what happened that for it is the always this down part is the greater line. This will be more and this will be the less because this is the 0. Just you can see the numbers here now. This all the values are negative. Will get less. Is correct. Suppose coming to this side, what will happen? These all the values will be positive. So clearly, if we got the greater than or equal to minus 5 means that one we are getting like this. That one we are getting like this all. Okay, you can take like this. Some little bit extra you can take later. We will see like this. Next one. What is second line here? No, this is the second line. So here also, what is the greater point here now? Greater than means then what you get? This side only, na? And take this side. This is the this side we are getting. Next, third one, 3x minus 2y greater than or equal to 12. Suppose if you take it down here, what will happen that? This is a negative completely. It is a negative only because we are coming down means it will be negative. And it is the positive means we should take top on this. We should take here now top on this. That means the intersection part we are getting here only. Na? The intersection part we are getting on this side. Okay. Now, and based on these 3 points, you can take the corner points here now. This is the one corner point, and here, these points you can take corner points. Okay. Likita, please respond.
Yes, sir.
No, so this part we have to take. These are the corner points here now. So based on these points, you can find the, okay. Then what we require that. This side, this side is the bounded region. In graph sheet, clearly first you can draw the graph and you can use the pencil there only. And suppose required area, just you can thick some little bit thick it is, and not required area means just that means infeasible region, lightly you can shade it. Okay. Textbook also they get the same thing.
So over here it's like we get minimum point at 0, 6, sir. Its value is minus 300. So, but then at last they've given it may or may not be the minimum
0,
value.
6, 0, that a point.
6, 0, sorry.
That is 6, 0. Correct or no?
We get minus 300, sir, but that may or may not be minimum value.
Why?
That's what they've given here.
Suppose if you take in that 6, 0 point, it is the minus 300 plus 0. So minus 300 is correct now? Z equal to minus 300 when it will be the 6, 0. And remaining points you can see here now. Suppose
0, 5. 0, 5, 0, 3, 1, 0, and 6, 0.
That one in graph sheet we are drawing means then we will get clearly that. Understood now. Here roughly I draw the diagram here now. take it. It's because this is the negative means because 6 is the more value. Suppose if you take 0 comma 5 where it is this one one of the point here 0 comma 5. If taken 0 comma 5 means what happened? Become not 0 and 520 are 100. So clearly here now z equal to 100. This is the compared to this the maximum value it is. The 0 comma 5. Other point 0 comma 3 na?
Yes, sir.
0 comma 3 means then here also same thing only. It will be 0. 320 are 60. Z equal to 60. So compared to this one, this is the smallest value. 0 comma 3. Okay. Correct only na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you take this point also, what will happen that this is the what is the point where you can solve both of them,
1,
but anyhow
0.
1 comma 0 1 comma 0 also x equal to 1 0, but minus 50 is
Minus
the
50.
compared to this is the more value, correct now?
Yes, sir.
Taken z equal to minus 50 means compared to minus 300 minus 50 is the maximum value. So still we are getting here what is that? So z equal to minus 300 is the lesser value and minimum value at the point 6 comma 0. Okay.
So, but final answer is it has no minimum value, it seems.
No minimum value, na?
So it's like the
1 minute. I will see the textbook there now. Okay. 1 minute. I will see the textbook. Any other questions in that examples or exercise? Once you can go through that. All of you once you go through that. This mobile only is not working. Any other questions? Once you can see that.
question 9 also in exercise
One minute.
12.1.
1 minute. 1 minute. Sir. I will see that one. I open the textbook there. Because right now actual textbook I don't have, but I am seeing that. Example,
This one is example 3, sir.
Okay, this is example 3. Next.
Exercise 12.1, 9th and 10th question are also like this only.
We will see that. Because by seeing the problem, then I understand clearly that. Theorem 1, example 3, na? Example 1, 2,
So example 4, not 3.
4,
Example 4, sir.
Yes, then what we done is correct only. Okay. So all the graphs we got exactly. Let's find that. 0, 5, 0, 3, 1, 0, and 6, 0 we got. But here, no. Here, see now, this is the unbounded is correct only. But whatever we done is correct only answer. It's correct only, na?
So, but minus 300 is not minimum value, sir.
Why?
It's given like that, sir.
Here they given, in textbook itself only they given that whatever we got is it will be the unbounded region. Correct only? This is the unbounded region. It will be fine that because it is the infinite. We are getting the so much as the unbounded. Correct only. But clearly we got now. If taken what is the point here, 6, 0. When it is 6, 0, what is the point here? Minus 300 we got. This is the minimum value. Is correct? The textbook also they gave the same thing only, na?
So, but once can you read the last line, sir, of that example only? It's given there.
Here see now in down is given, see now. After we have taken the consider other things and check whether the resulting open half plane has points in common with the feasible region
Yes,
or
sir,
not.
that one.
Yes. If it has a common point, then minus 300 will not be the no, they give the conditions here now. Suppose if it has okay common points, it has some other common points are there, means minus 300 will be the not the common minimum value. Otherwise minus 300 will be the okay minimum value of z. That means here now we're extending these points here because we are taking the maximum up to this point only we are taking. Is correct now? It will be the unbounded. We're extending this point. What will happen that? Yeah, there's so many points we're getting. Is correct now? That is the reason they told here now. This is the unbounded. Because we have just infinite points are there now. We can extend it some so on here like this. All but everything will be suppose if you taken this point, clearly we are getting everything. Is correct now? So this also we're extending this one. Clearly we got like this. Suppose if you taken this point also, clearly we're extending like this. Clear now? That is the reason. Because to the maximum we are taking this value. Okay. But coming to the top here now, but here no, at anyhow it is the no common point here. Along with the x and y axis. This is the last point for x axis, the intersection point of x and this line. But again, suppose we're extending this line also does not meet at anywhere. Here what they told means suppose if any common points are there, this is not a minimum. That means this line is suppose if it meet the x-axis at in somewhere, this is not a minimum. Otherwise it is the minimum only. Understood now?
So how do you find those common points, sir?
Because here see now what is the common corner points? There is the intersection point of, but they give the along with these constraints they give the x comma y greater than or equal to 0 also is given. Is correct now? That means we need to take both x and y also we have to take it. That means both x and y also required. X and y also required. Means what are the corner points here now? This is the one corner point, third corner point, fourth corner point. But this is again not touch the x-axis. With this top on this also, other than 0, 5, no common points here now. That means the bounded region just we have to take like this. Okay, we have to take like this. This is the bounded region, but it will be the not unbounded. The unbounded it is it's not bounded because infinite we are taking. But these two lines are does not meet the both x and y axis. One single line it's going. One single line. Suppose we are taking only one single line means what will happen that maybe we will take this side also. Is correct now? But this is not a corner. But we have to take the corner means it will be the somewhere it will be the bounded. Okay. That's the told very clear it is. Okay. Suppose if you got any common points other than 0, 6, 0, this is minus 300 is not a minimum because suppose this x-axis and this line it meet at some other place. This is not minimum. Otherwise, this is only minimum for that.
So here it says it has. So here it says it has common points, so it doesn't have minimum value.
That only if any common points are there, no minimum value for this. Other than this point, if any other points are there, the forward direction, in forward it is, this is not a minimum.
How do we know that, sir?
Suppose you can take the same diagram only. The same one you can take, just I'll take the small, yeah, the same thing only. That line, suppose we got like this. Okay, this is a 6, 0 here now. But this is intersected to not only 6, 0. Suppose this is the meet at some other point. Suppose meet at some other point. What will happen? Tell me. So this point is suppose we got now 6, 7, 0. Then how can you say minus 300 is the minimum value? Because if you taken this point, what will happen that x equal to 7 means it is the 7 5s are minus 350 will get. But compared to minus 300, this is the minimum value only. No?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, that is the reason they're telling. Otherwise, suppose if any other common points are there, clearly 6, 0 is a, it's not a minimum point.
So, but our
But according
corner
to
and
the
common point both same.
what is that?
Corner and common point are they both
No,
same?
no. Compulsory is, whatever they given constraints, what is the corner point means? Okay, the point based on the intersection we are getting. So here now in this problem only at last we have two conditions are there. X, y greater than or equal to 0. Now, what are the greater than or equal to 0? Both x and y axis also we are taking. That means whatever we draw on the lines here now, that lines are either intersecting each other, one thing, or else that lines are intersected the axis. That points we need to take the corner points. Here now, suppose if you taken this line, these two lines are intersecting. And here also, suppose here now, if you want, if you take this combination of nothing happen, not an issue it is. Okay. So this is intersected the y-axis. Here also same. This line intersected the y-axis. 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 These points we are taking as a corner. The required bounded it is. Okay.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, no, minus 300 is answer, sir, for this.
No. Is I didn't get you.
Sir, what is the final answer for this?
Minus 300.
Sir, but in book they gave,
It's
there's
not the
no
minimum value.
That only, once you can see the complete word there from the beginning.
Sir, after that, sir.
So in next page you check, sir. Next page, first line it's given.
Next page, first line. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Here what they given it is the, okay, therefore z equal to minus 50x plus 20y has no minimum value subject to the given constraints. Here also, why they're telling like that means, once you can observe that. The same thing only they're telling, but don't get any confusion. We are taking, this is the final point means this is the minimum. But it is the unbounded, it is the unbounded. Then what will happen, that it will be extending that, where beyond we are going. Understood now? So that's why they're telling here now, for these lines, it is the no bounded region. No bounded region here now. That's why it is the, we are not finding the minimum. But you can take, but that is the reason you can write and you can write it. It's enough. Write the reason. At last, after finding this table here now, all the points, understood now? That one single point you can write, it's enough. Other than this point, if any common points are there, so 6 comma 0 is a not a minimum point. Otherwise 6 comma 0 is the minimum point. Here
Sir,
also why
what
they're
is the
telling here
meaning of
means
common
maybe
point, sir?
uh,
What do you mean by common points?
common point. Common point, what is this now? Suppose whatever we are taking the corner points, that is the common point. Is correct now? This point is there. This is the common for the y and this line. This is the common for x and this line. This is the common for x-axis and this line. Like this. These are the common points. That only we are taking as a corner points here now. Okay. In the same one, once we will do that exercise, once you tell me,
Ninth question, sir.
ninth question, in exercise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we will see once that also. Question number 9 in the exercise. Page number
514.
514. What is the problem here now? Minimize, maximize. Once read now.
1 second.
Uh,
Maximize z minus x plus 2y. Subject to the constraints x greater than equal to 3, x plus y greater than equal to 5, x plus 2y greater than equal to 6, y greater than equal to 0.
Okay. We are taking the points here now. And based on this problem, then you will get more clarity. Actually, here also, why they're telling here it is the no minimum or no maximum here means one reason is there. That means here now, the fixedly they are not telling. That is the main reason. Or tell me that. Once z equal to how much? Tell me. Z
minus
equal to
x plus
minus
2y.
x plus 2y. Yeah? And constraints.
X greater than equal to 3.
X greater than equal to 3. Second.
X plus y greater than equal to 5.
Okay, good. Next.
X plus 2y greater than equal to 6.
Okay. Next.
That's
That's
y
it.
greater than equal to 0.
Oh, okay. 0. Find the points here now. This is a, okay. It's fine that. That means x greater than equal to 3 means x is the more than 3. We're getting all the right side, all the values we'll get. It's fine that. For second constant, you can take here now x, y. 0 means then what you get? Y equal to 5. Okay. Then x equal to 2 you can take. Y equal to 3. 3 you can take. 2 you'll get. Correct now? These are the points for the first one. Good. Second, x plus 2y equal to 6. X and y, if you taken 0, so y equal to 3. If you taken 6, y equal to 0. Then if you taken 2, then y equal to 2 points. Next, and y greater than 0, it should be easy. Okay, take directly, but no need to find anything. X, x dash, y and y dash horizon. Two minus 3. Okay. What is the first point? You tell me now. 0 comma 5. So this is 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. 2 comma 3. The 2 comma 3 point. Next 3 comma 2. The 3 comma 2 point. The first one it is 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. 6 comma 0 and 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. This is what is the first line here now? X plus 5 equal to x plus y equal to 5. And the second one, this is the x plus 2y equal to 6. And x is greater than or equal to 3. I think you will get this one in a. This is the line now. So all greater than means actually generally we are getting like this. We are getting like this. So this is the point. Okay. And this point also will get this point, and here. Actually we are getting like this. But all will be greater means is correct or in. Okay. The graphically these points we are getting for the as a critical points here now. Common points here now. These are the common points. These are the common points for all the three graphs maximum it is. So what is of this point? Tell me now. 3 comma 2 no first one point 3 comma 2. This is the 6 comma 0 and
4
by
comma
solving
1.
how much?
4 comma 1.
4 comma 1. Okay. Now these all the points you can substitute in there now. Maybe I think here also they told that one no maximum. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here now what is the no maximum here means? Here now these lines will be we are extending that one. It is also unbounded region. Correct now? It is also unbounded region. That means the maximum values maybe will get in somewhere because it's the first quadrant only. Na? It's the first quadrant. But everything we are getting the positive values only. But it's not negative values here. Okay. That's why in this case also They're telling the same previous problem also same like that only. Suppose that bounded region we stopped to this point, we'll get the minimum. Understood now? But here this is the unbounded means, but we are getting that one beyond this completely. We're extending. It is the unbounded it is. That means we are taking that one, the point will be somewhere like this. Okay, that means we can't find a clear maximum value here now. That means exact maximum value we are not finding. That is the reason. Okay, exact maximum value we are not finding. In the same previous also, that means the blind just remember that funny. Suppose if you got any unbounded region based on the in the first quadrant, we are taking like this one means. Understood now? So for finding the minimum and maximum, maybe some little bit confusion. That's what they're telling here now. Exactly, they are not saying anything properly. That's what they told here. It is the no maximum and no minimum for that. Okay.
For this minimum is possible, no sir?
Minimum means, but here will get now. Minimum is possible because it is the maximum is required. First you can find this one. Suppose this is the minimum value means no minimum because we are getting that one on okay like this. Suppose this point or somewhere we got this point, either this or this we got the minimum means yes it's possible. Okay, because below this it's not possible. This will be the bounded here now. But coming to these points here now, we'll get now. Okay, infinite it is. First you can find this value now here also. 3, 2, 6, 0, 4, 1 you can substitute in there now. Here z equal to how much we got? 3, 2 means minus 3 plus 4 equal to plus 1. And 6, 0. 6, 0 means this is the point here. This is the point. So minus 6 plus 0 means this is the minus 6 only. And 4, 1. So minus 4 plus 2 equal to minus 2. Equal to minus 2. So, this is the extreme points we got. This is the extreme points, but at this point we got 1. But this is the actual maximum, but it will be the extending here, Suppose this middle point, that means it is the bounded between these 2 points we got means, then you can say. And suppose this is the maximum value we got means, maximum value at this point you can take directly. But in this case also, minimum also not possible. Because it is z equal to minus 6. That also we got at this point. We got at this point. This also we are getting means no minimum also here now. Any other question now? Please tell me, Likita.
So one question of unbounded region is there in 6th one, sir.
Not only, we will see the possibilities. We will see that. Tell me now.
6th question.
Question number 6, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. What is the question number 6 here now? What is that problem here? Tell me now. Minimize z equal to
X plus 2y.
Once we will see that also. Z equal to x plus 2y.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next constraints, tell me.
2x plus y greater than equal to 3.
Next.
X plus 2y greater than equal to 6. Then x comma y greater than equal to 0.
0. Now find now. You can find the points here. X, y. If you take 0, y equal to 3, y equal to 3. So if you take 3 here now, y equal to minus 3. Correct? Because 3 means 2 3s are 6. So 3 minus 6 minus 3. Yes, y equal to minus 3. So you can take any other values. You can stop it. 2 points. And second one, x plus 2y. X, y here now. X plus 2y equal to 6. Then x equal to 0 means y equal to 3, It's correct now? Y equal to 3. Next. X equal to 2 you can take. So y equal to 2 will get. Then x equal to 6 means y equal to 0. second constraint. That's all. Yes, you can draw the graph now for this only. What is the first point? No? 0, 3 na? 0, 3. Next 3, minus 3. 3, minus 3. We'll get this here now. So this is the line 2x plus y equal to 3. 0, 3. Again this same point. 0, 3. 2, 2. 2, 2. And 6, 0. So we got the line like this. Okay. We got the line like this. Now both are greater than means then what you can tell me? Actually we will get like this. Correct or even on the second line also will get like this actually. But what is the boundary region means? These points will get. That means this point and this point. These 2 points you can take as the critical points. The 0, 3, 0, 3 and 6, 0. Okay. Now the 2 you can substitute in there now.
Minimum point is at 0, 3, sir.
Substitute in there that values. Then how much we got? Suppose if you take 0, 3.
6.
6.
6, sir.
Okay. 6, 0.
18.
18.
Yes, sir.
Verify it once. X plus 2y is there. If you take the point 0, 3. So clearly x equal to 0, y equal to 3. So z value equal to 6. One thing. And second point, if taken 6, 0. Z equal to how much? 6 plus 2 into 0 equal to 0 only.
6
This
only.
also
sir.
6 only. Yes. That means everything we got the same thing only. Then what will take here now? What they're asking in the problem itself actually?
Minimum value we have to find.
Then what is the minimum value you can take here now? 6 it is. Okay. The value of z is minimum value at, okay, minimum at every point on the line. Means whatever points we are taking on the line, these all the points are the minimum values only, because everything we got the same thing. That is the reason. Okay. At last you can write that. The minimum value at every point on the line. The minimum value of z is every point on the line. Because all the points we got the equal. Okay. Any other questions now? Bhanu Prasad? Malika, once you can check it. Right?
For fourth
Any-
questions also like that only, sir. Unbounded region will get graph.
Oh, it's okay. Fourth one. Yes, yes. Unbounded region. We got the 3 critical points there. It's correct now? We got 3 points. But here they're asking here also minimum value. Na? Is correct. Here
Yes,
also
sir.
minimum. That means here
Yes, sir.
now that lines you can see. That lines you can see in both previous graphs here now. But coming to this graphs here, what happened now? This is going this side. This is going this side. This also. But this already what happened now? All negative values only. Is correct no? Here also we are going down means negative values only. So minimum is occurred. But previous that problem, so what happened that lines it's coming like this. Correct now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
means these lines are extending through towards it is the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, we know all the positive values are there now. All the values will be positive. That be all the points will be we are getting that one increasing order. That's why we are saying that one no minimum value, no maximum value. But here also we can see the graphs. You can see first you can draw the graphs. You can draw the graphs, and based on that you can see now. Understood now? Tell me the fourth question number 4 also once.
So Z is equal to 3x plus 5y.
Z equal to 3x plus 5y.
Yes, sir.
Z equal to 3x plus 5y. Okay. Constant, tell me.
X plus 3y greater than equal to 3.
X plus 3y.
Greater than equal to 3.
Ah,
X plus y greater than equal to 2.
ah,
X comma y greater than equal to 0.
0. Okay. If we take in first one again, x, y. 0 means y equal to 1. Correct? 3 means 0. Okay. 2 points enough. Next. And the second one, x equal to 0 means y equal to 2. And x equal to 2 means y equal to 0. These points only can take. Okay. Now draw the graph here now. Draw the graph. X, x dash, y and y dash origin. What is the first point? 0 comma 1 is the point, and 3 comma 0 is the point. Clearly that line, see now we're getting the down line. That means definitely get minimum value, sure. Next, 0 comma 2, this is the point. 2 comma 0, this is the point. Now also what you get line here now, we are getting like this, correct? Now this one. So what is the boundary tracing rather than means? Clearly just we are getting on this side. This is the boundary region, correct? Unbounded. But in this case now, we have to find the minimum value. The minimum value means just you can observe this graphs here now. Suppose this 2 you can extend this side. What happened that this also clearly minimum value because the value of x is the first and y is the second. Clearly get minimum. And coming to down here also, both the here is this completely negative towards down negative only. Now here now these 3 points are the critical points here now. 1, 2, 3. So what about this point? 0 comma 2 1 point, 3 comma 0 is the second point, and by solving these two lines, solve that x plus 3y
So
equal to
3
3,
by 2 and 1 by 2.
x plus y equal to 3 by 2 na? Minus we are taking means 2y equal to 1 and y equal to 1 by 2 one thing. X equal to tell me how much? 3 by 2 na?
3 by 2. 3 by
3
2.
by 2. So this point is 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now clearly we'll get now minimum value. We required minimum value is required. Then both you can substitute in there now in this objective function. So z equal to, if taken 0 comma 2, 0
10,
means
sir.
10. Okay. And second one, 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 you can substitute in there.
7.
3 into 3 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. 5 into 1 by 2. So 9 by 2 plus this is the 5 by 2 equal to 7. So z equal to we got 7. And here z equal to 0 comma 3 comma 0 means 9.
9, sir.
So what is the minimum value? Z equal to 7. So minimum value at this is a clearly we got now between this. Correct only, na? I told you starting one it is. Because we are taking that one, it's coming to the past this direction. No? This extreme points we are getting means maybe we can't find that. Maybe we are getting maybe because this is also common point only, na? This is also bounded. So all we are taking. Exactly we got in the middle. So minimum value at 7. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me, Chirag.
sir, what is critical point, sir?
What is the right now definition? I'll tell you. Definition I'll tell you right now. That feasible region is there, na? Yes or no? The bounded region, then where you will get that, that is the we call as the critical points or corner points. Both are same thing only. Okay.
Sir, even common point is a critical point, sir.
Common point is critical point only. Some words sometimes you'll get, no, they'll give the word critical point, sometimes the common point, the corner points, but everything will be same thing only. Okay. So no need
Okay,
to get any confusion here now, but everything will be same. But how to get the common corner points or critical points or something here means, and based on the bounded region. Suppose if you got any bounded region, no, the surrounding that means based on the which points will get the bounded, that area will be bounded. That points you can take as a either corner points or common points or else critical points. Okay, clear now? First exercise, Nikita.
Yes, sir.
If you want just definitions, one more questions point of view, I think in your textbook they given very clearly. I think what is the page number it is, and starting once you can see, yes, page number 507. They give very clearly feasible region and infeasible region. Infeasible region means it will be the not bounded. Some other, that means other than that points, remaining points we will take. Okay, in the same optimal solution. Yes, already I gave the points to you. We are getting the maximum or minimum of the objective function is called optimal solution. I told very clearly that. Yes. Okay. And based on that and examples. And page number 509 in your textbook, they given, the method of solving linear programming problems is referred as a corner point method. We done this one corner point method only, we done. Okay. Means for first you can find the corner points. They give very clear, find the feasible region of the linear programming problem and determine its corner points. Okay, either by inspection or by solving the two equations of the lines intersecting at that points. These are the points. The intersected points, or else it is the some. See, this is the intersection point. This is intersection point. This is intersection point. So all three. But this is we can't take. But this region is not bounded by the second line. Is correct now? This is only bounded by the only first only. So this is not possible. But whatever we are taking the area, it must be bounded by the given lines. Bounded by the given lines. Okay. Next. Then see the third step also they given here now. When the feasible region bounded, M, capital M and small m are the maximum and minimum values of Z. In case the feasible region unbounded, two cases they given, you asked the doubt already. Then why we are not finding the no maximum value, no minimum value? That's why they give the reason. In case the feasible region is unbounded, we have first one, capital M is the maximum value of Z. The open half plane determined by ax plus by greater than m has no point in common in the feasible region. Otherwise, Z has no maximum value. So, they told very clearly already here now. That means whatever we got the maximum value has no point in common with the feasible region. That means other than that, if any other points are there means, but there is not a maximum. So in this case, what is saying that one, Z has no maximum value. Similarly, small m is the minimum value of Z. The open half plane determined by ax plus by less than m has no point in common with the feasible region. Otherwise, Z has no minimum value. Okay, here already in the procedure they given very clearly. That's why then all of you they're telling that from the beginning. Just you can read the textbook, read the textbook thoroughly. Even though the CBSE board, their concept, their aim also the same thing only. Okay, they'll ask the questions in examination also based on the textbook only. That means they'll ask some few different questions. But that is with numerical changes we are getting. But the concept is not in somewhere it is. Maybe that is a compulsory, it will be available in the textbook itself. Okay, actually yesterday last class only planned to give that procedure, but I think I am not given to you. And I think on that time I told that you want just I'll give the procedure. Okay, the first exercise is clear now. First exercise, Lakshmi, Kaushalya, Kaushalya, please respond. Kaushalya, I think last examination you wrote nicely. I think how many marks you got now? 42 na, Kaushalya? Respond. Likita,
Yes, sir.
the remaining students, they are not there. Why they are not responding?
I don't know, sir.
Huh? All of you refer the Banu Prasad. What happened? Why you left the questions in the last examination?
Sir,
Why you left the questions? I think you
the
left a
testimony,
few.
sir.
On a 4 mark question you left. Correct?
Yes, sir, that one was not there in portion, sir.
It's okay. It's not an portion, but you
That's why
can
I
do.
asked before exam whether
What is the concept that one? No, it's not there in the examination. No, tell me the
properties of determinants.
properties of
Determinants.
determinants. But anyhow, just we have to do it in. But that is the CBSE model question papers only, na? Recently they released the papers. The same thing only. From that only I'm giving.
Sir, in
Previous.
PU, it's not there, sir.
Okay. For PU. Already whatever question papers are assigned in the Google class, from the question papers only I gave. Okay. So you do one thing now. Once tomorrow.
Sir, they were previous year, sir. That all.
It's okay. Bhanu Prasad and Likita tomorrow. Just once you can bring the syllabus. Okay. For PU, it is the what are the concepts you have everything. I think you have some maybe some PDF file. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Tomorrow.
it is same, sir. CBSE and PU. Same.
Yes, same only. You do one thing, tomorrow, or else you do one thing, just you can, I think my number is there. My mobile number is there.
Yes, sir, I have.
Yes, you can send in WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Send in WhatsApp. Then once I go to that also, and based on that one, we will do that. Okay. In LPP, what are the concept is given?
Sir,
Remaining
or else
also
I
application
can
also they
send
give.
it Classroom only, sir. Google Classroom.
Huh?
Google Classroom I'll send.
Google Classroom.
I will send, sir, that PDF.
Google Classroom, it's not required. It is okay, because Google Classroom only if any assignment. Send in the WhatsApp that, then I will see. Okay. Next. So here, but these are the concepts that are important only. Some applications are there now. In second exercise. In the second exercise, depending on maybe purchasing or it is they're also same concept. Finding the maximum minimum only. They're also, it's not, we are not finding the different values. But now in these questions, they give the objective function and constraints, they give directly. And based on that, just we are solving and we are finding that. But now what will they'll give the application kind of questions. They'll give the some, suppose if you take in manufacturing, compulsory they'll take the two companies here now, some X company and Y company. Maybe it producing that one some different items here now. Understood now? Some different bolts and not something. They'll give the different this one, and total profit they'll give, and total how many things there it will be providing both together. But if they give it always the total is called a objective function. So like this, first we can make the ourselves constraints, same thing only. Then later the remaining procedure will be same. Our work is for finding the constraints and objective function is the important. Once we are making that one constraints and objective function, then almost or 50% of the problem is done. Okay. Then once we got the constraint and everything, the rest of procedure will be same. Just we are finding the solutions of the given constraints and plot on the graph, and we got the critical points or corner points. Understood now? Then based on that one, we are finding the, suppose we required maximum profit and maximum we are finding. Minimum profit means minimum we are finding. And maximum objects we are providing means maximum, or minimum means minimum. So whatever required, no, just, but our concept is at last, maybe, all that's why I told you that for either maximum or minimum, or a profit or loss. This only we call as the optimal solutions. optimum solutions. So in these questions also, maximum we are finding either maximum or minimum we are finding. Okay, maximum or minimum, and a profit or loss, profit or loss. Understood? No? So these are those things only we are doing that. So you can write now one small example here based on the applications. We'll do that right now. Or else it is you can take from your textbook only. In second exercise, once you can read one problem now, Likita,
Which question, sir?
any problem from the second exercise. Okay, you read first question.
Second exercise, no, sir.
Second exercise. Because the first one is done.
Reshma,
Is correct now?
yes, sir.
First one is done. Yes, read.
Reshma wishes to mix two types of food, P and Q, in such a way that the vitamin contents of the mixture contains at least 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B.
Uh,
Food P costs rupees 60 per kg and food B costs rupees 80 per kg.
okay.
Food P contains 3 units per kg of vitamin A and 5
Mm,
units per kg of
mm,
vitamin B, while food Q contains 4 units per kg of vitamin A and 2 units per kg of vitamin B.
okay.
Determine the minimum costs of mixture.
Okay. Here also we should. Okay, we need to find the minimum cost of a mixture. So they gave very clear. You know how many foods are there now here now? How many foods are there? Two different foods. Is correct now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
two types of foods are there. That is the P and Q are there. Is correct? Such a way that the vitamin contains what they given now. The mixture contains at least 8 units, but here only they given at least 8. That means it's one of the condition only. Na? That means based on that we will get the constraints now. At least that means the minimum that or more than that. At most, we know that one means less than or equal to we will get like this. So one of the constant here now 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B. Food B, food P cost 60 rupees per kg and food Q cost 80 rupees per kg. Food B contains 3 units per kg of vitamin A and 5 units of kg of vitamin B. While food Q contains 4 units of per kg of vitamin A and 2 units per kg of vitamin B. Determine the minimum cost of the mixture. Determine the minimum cost of the mixture. Now, this kind of questions, but actually directly we are not finding. First, to understanding purpose, you can draw the one small table there now. You can draw here now one small table. That is, we have generally two foods are there. That is the you can take here now food P on one thing and food Q is the second thing. Is correct now? In this, that food contains two different vitamins are there now. That is the vitamin A and vitamin B. Na? So here you can write now this is the vitamin A and vitamin B. Vitamin B here. I think the total cost also is given now. What is the cost per kg now? Here you can write that. Cost per kg. Cost per kg. You can take. And here what will be the I think they given now. At least 8 and at least 11. Once I can read that point now. At least 8 and at least 11. You can see now once. Likita.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Contents of mixture contain at least 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of
ah,
vitamin B.
yes. That food contains what is that? Okay, the vitamin contains the both of food. Here they given that one. First, vitamin A, 8 percentage. Okay, at least 8 only, na? Is
Yes,
correct
sir.
now. At least 8. Vitamin B, how much? At least
11
11.
units.
11 units. This is the 8 units and 11 units. And in food B, vitamin A, how much is there? You can see now per kg.
60.
That is the cost. 60 rupees per kg.
3 units per kg.
3 units per kg vitamin A. In vitamin B,
5 units per kg.
5 units per kg. Then total cost, how much we got now? 60 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Food P, 60 rupees. Yes. Second, in food Q,
4 units per kg.
4 units per kg. In vitamin B,
2 units
2
per
units per
kg.
kg. What is the total cost here now?
80 rupees.
80 rupees. Understood now? This table is important to us. Now, based on this table, just we need to find now. This is the vitamin A, the one constraint. Vitamin B is the one constraint, and the total cost is the objective function. Objective function. Okay. Now, just you can make the constraints here now. You can make the constraints. Clearly, food B and this one, and total cost equal to how much they given. Take it. Total cost. Now, what is the first constraint? Vitamin A you can take. Based on that, so 3x plus this is the 4y. At least means what happen now? Greater than or equal to 8. One thing. Okay. Similarly, and second one you can take here now. Vitamin B we are taking means what happened that? Vitamin B 5 and 2 total 11 is correct. So this is the 5x plus 2y greater than or equal to 11. There are the two constraints. And what is the total cost here now? Z equal to 60x plus 80y. 60x plus 80y. Now we can find it. Now follow the same procedure. We got the two constraints here now. Clearly, draw the graph. First you can find the critical points or corner points. The points you can substituting in the total. This is the Z is called total cost here now. Z is called total cost. The two you can substitute in there now. At which point then you will get the maximum. Here what is required? The minimum required. Minimum cost.
Yes, sir.
Find the minimum cost of that. Okay. If you want this procedure, you can write now first. Starting before writing this table, write the procedure. Right. Let the mixture contains. That's why we're taking the x and y here now. Right. Let the mixture contain x kg of food P. Let the mixture contains x kg of food P and y kg of food Q. Full stop. So therefore, but that food also, but always we are not taking the less. That means the negative we are not taking. We are mixing means something we are missing means it will be the compulsory more than 0 only. Okay, that's why you can write. Therefore, x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, then you can write this one, draw this table now. Requirement here, requirement unit per kg. Unit per kg. Okay, draw this table. Draw this table. Later, just once remind me. I'll tell one more point here now. Okay, so after this table, just you can write now. This both together will combine means we'll get the mixture. In mixture contains next you can write now. Okay, so therefore, but the mixture contains minimum 8 units vitamin A and 11 minimum, that means at least 11 units of vitamin B. Not that bad. Because the day after tomorrow it is JE exam only. No? That's why we give for only revision. Tomorrow completely revision. Only PCMB. That's why. Okay. Hello. నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాక ఏ సరే. Okay, you can see now the mixture contains at least 8 units of vitamin A is required. Next, the mixture contains at least 11 units of vitamin B is required. So therefore, the required constraints are these two constraints you can write now, and the total cost Z equal to 60x plus 8y. So like that you can write clearly that. Like that you can write now clearly. Then just you can write now the mathematical formulation of the given problem is the mathematical formulation of the given problem is this is you can take here now. First you can write this value. Minimize Z equal to 60x plus 80y subject to constants here now. 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 8. Next 5x plus 2y 11 and x comma y equal to 0. Okay, then follow the same procedure. All of you can complete that and tell me the minimum value, means the minimum cost you can tell me. Tell me the minimum cost. First I required no corner points. Corner points are required.
So here also graph is unbounded.
Yeah, okay, good. Not an issue. Okay, graph is unbounded, but a minimum where you get. But here also no minimum value, na? 1 rupees, yes. Do that. First to find the critical points and you can tell me. Then I will see. All of you can try now. All of you can solve and draw the graph and tell me the corner points. Let you can substituting in the objective function and find the minimum cost. Anyone got the answer? How to get the graph? I think the graph maybe get the graph here now. I think you got like this. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So these are the points. 1, 2. These three are the three critical points now. So what is the first point here? What
0, 11/2.
0, then how to get 11/2? Right? Okay.
So that's 5.5.
Okay. 0, 11/2. Okay. On this point, and this point,
Sir, that middle point is
uh,
2, 1/2.
2, 1/2. I think is it possible? 2, okay. Okay. This is will come down. I think somewhere here down. Correct now?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. What about this point?
That is 8/3, 0.
8/3, 0. Yes. Substitute in there now. 60x plus 80y. Here z equal to 60x plus 80y. So z equal to 60 into, we're taking the first point. I am taking the 0, 11/2 I am taking. Anyhow 0 plus 80 into 11/2. 2 in this number how many times? 40 times. But this much we are not getting. I think this will be the point will be wrong. So that is not 11/2. That is not 11/2.
So in that equation, if you
okay.
substitute, then you'll get, sir.
So what about this value now? Okay, it's a remaining also is there now. Once we'll cross check it. 440 na? 4 11s are 44 and 440. Second point under 2, 1/2. 2, 1/2. And z equal to 60 into 2 plus 80 into 1/2. 80 into 1/2. Okay, 2 in this number 40 times. So 120 plus 40 equal to 160. Clearly we got the middle. That means easily you can find that. What is the minimum value here now? 160. Next, 8/3, 0. Here now z equal to what you get? 60 into 8/3 plus and 80 into 0 equal to 0 only. This is the 20 times. 820 is there. Here also 160 again. Here also 160. So clearly, what is the minimum value here? The minimum cost. Minimum cost is 160 at the 2 points. But anyhow, we will take this point. So this is okay. It's fine. You can write now. So the 160 is the minimum, means the same thing we got at this point also. So you can write the minimum cost of the food, the mixture is 160 rupees at the points 2 comma 1 by 2 and 8 by 3 comma 0. Suppose here we are not getting, this is not a minimum value, but minimum value we got here only. But in this case, but we can't say, understood now, that minimum value is not find, that means no minimum value, but anyhow we got here now. Last, just clearly can write that after finding the table, that as the feasible region is unbounded, we know that. So 160 may or may not be the minimum value of to z, it is may or may not be, clearly, because here now suppose we take it, this is not a minimum means, but clearly we can say that one no minimum value, but anyhow middle of that we are getting. See now for this, we graph is the inequality, we got very clearly the resulting half plane has points in common with the feasible region or not. You can see clearly that in this case, then whatever we are taking the point, it will be the less than that equation we are getting very clearly. Then I can say clearly we got the middle. So that is the minimum value. Minimum value at the two different points, 2 comma 1 by 2 and 8 by 3 comma 0. Then after consider, once they can remind me, then we will do the second question. You will see that. Okay, tomorrow also we'll do the same concept. And tomorrow is the last class for this chapter.
Sir,
Tell me, Chirag.
I'm getting corner point 17 by 9, comma 7 by 12, sir.
17 by 9 comma
7 by
7 by 12.
yes.
Then how it's possible? I'll draw the graph. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I'll draw the graph here now. What is the first line? 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y equal to 8. It's correct. X
Yes.
y. So x equal to 0 means and y equal to clearly 2. Correct or not? Next,
Yes, sir.
the same way, if take any 8 here now, if you take an 8, then if you take an 8 means 3 8 is 24. 24 at this side now, minus 16. So minus 4 means minus 4. The same we can take similarly other point you can take here now, some other thing.
Sir, we can take x4 and y minus 1.
4. 3 4 is 12. 12 right this side now, minus 4. So minus 1. It's okay. The 3 points you can take. One thing. Second one, 5x plus 2y equal to 11. Is correct. So x and y. So if you take n 0, y equal to 1 by 2 na.
Sir, 5x plus 2y is equal to 11, no, sir?
What am I?
So you have written 1.
Sorry, this is the 11. So 11 by 2 na. It's correct now. 11 by 2. 11 by 2. 1 point. Next in the same, suppose if you take an x equal to 2.
Sir, I have taken x is equal to 3 and y is equal
Okay.
to minus 2.
It's okay, it's fine that. If you take an x equal to 3 na.
Yes.
15. So 11 minus 15.
So
Minus
y is
4.
equal to minus 2.
Minus 1 to minus 2. I think it's enough. Okay. Then you will say that.
One more.
That's all. I think 2 only we have.
Sir, x minus 1 and y 8. sir.
Okay, x minus 4. So minus 5 means 16. 16 means 8.
Yes, sir.
8. Yes. Now just you can draw the graph. You can draw the graph here now.
So that last answer, I didn't like right the concluding point.
Ah. X, x dash, y dash, origin. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. What is the first point? 0, comma 2. This is the point 0, comma 2. 8, comma minus 4. Oh, this is will get no some here, correct? The 8, comma minus 4 it is. 8, comma minus 4. And 4, comma minus 1. And 4, comma minus 1 here. The 4, comma minus 1. So you can join this one now. The first one. What about this line here now? 3x plus 4y equal to 8. Equal to 8. The second, 11 by 2 equal to 5.5. So this is the point. Correct now? Chirag,
Yes, sir.
correct or
Yes,
0,
sir.
comma 11 by 2 point here. And 3, comma minus 2. 3, comma minus 2. 3, comma minus 2. This is the point. Okay. And minus 1, comma 8 also will get top on that will get. Get now top on that. So these two only can join that. Graph paper means then we'll get exactly. Okay. This is the graph. Correct or so what are the
Yes,
corner points here now? This is a clearly can write now. What about this line here? This is a 5x plus 2y equal to 11. Correct. Okay. This is the one corner point. This is the second corner point. And this is the third corner point. So this is verified. Area it is. Correct. This is verified. This one. Now this point is required. Lies between 2 and 3 is there now. Lies between 2 and 3. Clearly can find it. From here to here, suppose divide into 3 parts here means, you can see, this is the 8 by 3 only will get now. 8 by 3 equal to how much approximately? 8 by 3 equal to 2.6 only will get now. Okay. This is the 8 by 3 comma 0. This anyhow we got no 0 comma 11 by 2. Then how to get this point here? By solving both. The solving these two lines. What is the first line here? 3x plus 4y equal to 8 and this one. So second line you can multiply with 2. So 3x plus 4y equal to 8. This is multiplied by 2 now. 2 5s are 10x plus 2 2s are 4y equal to 2 now. Subtract it. 3 minus 10. How much? Minus 7. X is equal to. This is the 6 here. So x equal to. Oh, this also then how it's possible. Okay. Oh, this is 11. 11 means what you get now? 22 na? 22. You subtract this value now. So minus 14. Minus minus will be cancelled. So x equal to clearly will get now 2. One thing. So x equal to 2, you can substitute any one of the equation there now. So first equation 6 plus 4y equal to 8. Then 4y equal to 2. Then y equal to 1 by 2. So this point is clearly can write now. 2 comma 1 by 2. Correct or reader? All 3 points.
Sir, I
Correct,
think
Chirag,
so.
no?
I did some mistakes.
Ah.
Sir, can you write the concluding point, sir, once again?
Right now. Auto finding this you can write now. Right. Sixty x plus 80y. That also it's not required actually. You can write directly it is. So therefore, the minimum cost of the mixture will be 160 rupees at the line segment. The minimum cost of the mixture will be 160 rupees. 160 rupees. Yet yet the line yet the line segment yet the line segment join in the points join in the points 8 by 3 comma 0 and 2 comma 1 by 2 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay, so tomorrow also once we'll go through the same thing only. Tomorrow class I think 3 to 4 problems we done means then we'll get the more clarity and more idea we'll get. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, tomorrow I'll continue. Good night.
Thank you, sir.